Okay, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and I'm Nora Crystal. And before the polling start, make sure to click the subscribe button to Nora Crystal. And if you head up to 100 subscribers, I am going to give away some cool pet or egg. So make sure to click the subscribe button, also like button to head up to 100 subscribers. And thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy it a lot. Okay, so right now I am going to bolding something pretty interesting. I hope you guys watching the video the video called New Halloween House in the Japanese I Googling. I hope you guys go to watch this video, and also so in that video I bold this cool, and you guys wanna know how I bold this ghost bunny, see, and also this cute bat. Okay, so before I start, make sure to subscribe. Oh my god, and I forgot to tell you guys that today I'm going to bolding the castle. How to bolding the castle. So let me take out my neon albino. So cute. Okay, so let me take out the old egg bird. I have to put it somewhere here. Yeah, here. Fly it. Come on, evil eye me. Wait a minute. Oh. Help me. Wait, what happened to me? No. No, I got this. I got movement. Okay, let's go again. Take out the pet. Okay, so if you guys wanna glitch outside, take out the pet, the fly pet to here, and just fly it. So I told you guys that I wanna pull a fossil island here. I mean, not a fossil island. It's like a fossil, called a dinosaur castle. Yeah, I was going to make a dinosaur castle out here. It's too big, right? I know. It's so amazing. Yeah. Okay, let me take out here. What if I put? It can. Okay, Father, no, my clothes. No, don't. No, my clothes get broken. My clothes. No. It's okay, just pull it. So first of all, if you wanna pull a castle, have to use computer. Is way more easy than bullying in the phone, yeah. So buy a lot of barrier. Buy it. Oh my god, I spent a lot of money. Okay. No. So I have to build the castle. So this is the part 1 actually. I'm going to pull inside way more better than this. It's going to be so good. Okay guys, so it takes a few minutes. Yeah. I have to still make right here, and the next right here I'm going to make more, and I'm going to put in like a grass, like a playground or something for a dino pet. I mean for dinos pets. I didn't even make a fossil castle yet. I just already pulled the Halloween castle or Halloween houses. Yeah. Ooh. It's gonna take a long time. And now I don't have more money. Because I spent my money on this. I spent my money. I want you guys to know how to pull the castle. Oh my god, this is so big. Ooh. I think we need some more barrier. It's not enough. Okay guys, make sure to click the subscribe button, also like button. Yeah, I thank you guys so much for supporting my video. Okay, that's enough. It's really enough right now. Oh, I forget how to get out here. I have to make a stair too. I forget about that. No, whoa. But this time you have to pull the castle first. Huh? Yeah. My hand is start to hurt right now. And guys, it's take a lot of money to pull a one castle. Yeah, I take $20,000 last time to pull the Halloween castle. Yeah, the castle is spent a lot of money. Okay, so the next one is, oh my god, I forget the money. Oh my god, guys, I have to go get wait. Okay, now we are back with 10,474 money I get from another houses. I didn't sell house. Okay, so next one, what you guys wanna hide? I want like only this. Wait. Wait. A minute. The moon is red. This is scary. No way. No, it's not scary. Yes, spend the money. Oh my god, I knew it's not. How much is this? Okay, do it. We have to still bowling castle time. Okay, next one. Putting like this. Guys, see? Putting like this and to make more highs. That's how you guys have to do it. Next one, the barrier operation. And you guys can put any color you guys want to put. So I actually pull the fossil one. So actually I have to put the green color later here. No, don't put floating like this. It's wrong. No, it's still floating. No way, wait guys. Oh, this part is kinda hard too. the party. Huh? It's still. What happened on me? No. No, everyone is floating right now. No, there's no way everyone is. No way! Dude, come on. Okay guys, right now, ta-da! Oh my god, funny, I'm done too high. But I still need the one more highest. I need 2 more highest to the full. Or I think this is enough. No, it's not. I put around like 4, yeah. Now this night I have to use a fly wrap pet. So that's how it is. Guys know what I mean? Oh my god, I have to still buy more barriers. Now I have spent a lot. No, I spent a lot. And my Binupa is so tired right now. Binupa, are you okay? No! Why you use me? No, I wanna use you. Because it's easy to flaw you. That's what you got? Yeah. Enough. Why you buy too much barrier? Because I needed to pull a cuzzle for every who didn't know how to pull the cuzzle, you know? Okay. It's so hard. Yeah, who said it's not hard? I'm hot too. Oh no, it's night. Yeah, it's a night. It's spooky, fishy times, right? I have to put a window right here to see more shiny, right? No, I didn't. No, I have to put it. How about the biggest? It's not spend a lot of money. You charged me? No, I didn't. Ooh, does it look cool? No. Wait, I forget about the mini game. Why? The mini game give me the money. Oh, that's what you got. Yeah. And we have to put some heart right here. Like a pretty charming heart. Okay guys, if you guys wanna chance to watch this more video, you guys wanna see the part 2, make sure to click the subscribe button, also like button, say something in a comment section down below, and thank you guys a lot for watching my video. I hope you guys